didn't want the drama, got the ooze. Shook the whole crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see in movies. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass up. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it.